Hello all, Bob Pisani on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. Happy hump day, Arthur. We started out in sort of mixed territory, and as we went into the European close, things sort of drifted south. What's going on?
Yeah, well, the oil inventories were down, not tremendously, but you got a sigh of relief rally in oil. It took it up above 44, and then that suddenly dissipated. Oil's now down on the day a little bit, and that caved the rally in the Dow. We went from up slightly, as you said, to down about 50. Now they're trying to circle the wagons in here. The S&P looks like it's given up virtually all of the gains from Monday, which is not a good signal.
So we're going back to getting smacked around by oil again. That hasn't happened for a long time. Everybody said, and we've talked about this, that oil has sort of decoupled from the stock market. The idea that oil somehow represents the state of the global economy has been dropped by and large because it's a supply and demand issue now.
Yes, it is, and you're getting the outliers, the Libyas, the Nigerias. They're not pulling along with the OPEC team, and there's signs that fracking may spread outside the United States, and that will allow for lower cost oil elsewhere. So there's going to be continued pressure there. It's going to be frustrating for the Fed because that will hold inflation down, and they won't be able to get the numbers they want. So the coin is up in the air. We don't know where it lands yet.
Yeah. Well, look, we're still essentially at new highs, by and large. I mean, it's an anemic rally that we've got going here, but with the market at these highs, and earnings already expanded pretty high. The multiple on the on the S&P is pretty high. We're at close to 18 times 2017 earnings already. What's going to be the catalyst that moves it there?
Well, the new catalyst for this week and the end of last week is Amazon. Amazon has become the blob. If you hear Amazon's getting into anything that you're related to, whole industries are selling off. You went from the grocers to apparel.
Amazon Wardrobe was announced.
That's right.
And now a lot of companies are scrambling to make deals with Amazon. I know there's reports Nike is trying to make a deal with Amazon to sell to them directly, and obviously that would be bad news for other department stores that sell Nike, for JCPenney or Kohl's, Nordstrom.
So Amazon's become a factor in everybody else's business, and that's got the market nervous. That's why even the rally on Monday, which was pretty nifty, the rallies aren't as broad. It's not just the FANG stocks, but it is pretty much a handful of stocks, 20 or 25.
Yeah, that's the way it's been for a while. All right, well, the bottom line here is pretty modest moves so far. Oil still the big issue, and Amazon weighing on the retailers. He's here every day talking about the markets exclusively, with us, CNBC.com. Have a good one.
Take care.